Have you ever dreamt of building your own 3-bedroom house but felt like your monthly income is not just enough? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you exactly how to build a beautiful 3-bedroom home here in Uganda, even if you are earning just about 2 million shillings as your monthly salary. Stay on until the end of this video. I'm going to be breaking everything into detail, step by step. I'm dedicating this video to Alex Benjamin Chibuka, who commented on this previous video that please break it down when you save for a 2 million salary earner. And here, sir, is your answer. To achieve this milestone, you won't build in 6 months, but you can build smartly over time. The first step to building on a budget is understanding that it's not about how much you earn, it's how well you plan. You must start with a clear goal, that is, keep the design of the house as simple as possible, as you can see in this house design idea. Secondly, set a realistic time frame. And finally, your financial discipline matters a lot. Let us first go through the cost estimates of this house design idea that I think you can build over time with your 2 million monthly salary. This material schedule assumes for materials without labor. This is because labor differs from one place to another, and material costs are likely to keep almost the same throughout the region. The material schedule covers from substructure, that is the foundation, then superstructure, those are the main halls of the house, and roofing. The substructure is likely to cost about less than 6 million Ugandan shilling. And when we go to the superstructure, we are likely to spend about 18 million Ugandan shilling. And finally, the roofing might cost us less than 5 million Ugandan shillings. For this house design idea, here are full details of material cost estimates. You can pause this video and read through. I will also leave a link in the description below so you can download it. Note, these cost estimates go high or low depending on very many factors, such as location of the site, where you are going to buy the materials from, and so on. After having an estimate now, let's break down how to allocate that 2 million Ugandan shilling every month. After having an estimate now, let's break down how to allocate that 2 million Ugandan shilling every month towards your home project. First, save at least 1.5 million Ugandan shilling every month specifically for purchase of materials. That's 18 million Ugandan shillings in a year. Use the remaining 500,000 Ugandan shillings for your basics, that is rent, food, transport. Note, you will have to live simply to achieve this goal. Not forgetting, this video assumes for those who have already acquired their land, and you do not need to build the whole house at once, but in phases. In phase 1, which is the foundation, as per our cost estimate of this house design idea, it was about 5.5 million Ugandan shillings in terms of material costs, and at a saving rate of 1.5 million Ugandan shilling per month, in a period of 4 months, we are able to raise this amount and purchase materials needed for the foundation. In phase 2, which is raising the main walls of the house, which is termed as the superstructure, according to our material cost estimate, we saw that we might need around 17 million Ugandan shillings, and to achieve this, by maintaining our monthly standard saving of 1.5 million Ugandan shilling, we might need a full year to save this amount of money. Phase 3, roofing. Here we are done with the foundation, superstructure, remaining with the roof. Going back to our material cost estimate, we saw that we might need less than 5 million Ugandan shilling to raise the cost to purchase materials necessary to roof this house design idea. With 4.1 million, we might need about 3 months to raise that amount, keeping our 1.5 million Ugandan shilling as our monthly savings. For purposes of labor, you can consult your local builders. In the whole process, from phase 1, that is the foundation, to phase 2, that is the superstructure, And finally, to phase 3, the roofing. We see we might need about 1 year and 7 months, that is approximately 2 years, to gather resources to purchase necessary materials to build this simple 3-bedroom house design idea. And here are 5 smart ways to save even more. First, use locally available materials. This helps to reduce on transport costs. Secondly, buy materials in bulk. This is because you get discounts on purchases. Thirdly, supervise your own site. This helps you to avoid wastage of materials. Fourth, go for a simple roof design. Like for case of this simple with this flat roof, saving a lot of resources. You can substitute timber battens into eucalyptus logs. By using this, you can save about 150% than traditional timber battens of 50 by 75 purlins, 150 by 75 rafters, 100 by 50 struts and ties. Also, ceiling joists, you can use these eucalyptus logs as joists for ceiling. Building a home on a small salary is not just possible. It's happening along the entire country every day. With just 2 million Ugandan shilling a month, you may not build fast, but you can build steadily. Don't wait until you earn more. Start where you are. Plan wisely and take it one phase to another. In just 2 years, you will be able to purchase materials to kickstart on construction. And later on, you will be living in your very own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment such that I know your thoughts for better planning in my next videos. Thank you for being with us at Next Gen Build Hub, your go channel to building your dream home. See you again in the next video. Good luck.